Welcome back. Murga municipality demolished 2 illegal houses at Adarsh Nagar in Chikli on Friday. High Court had earlier ordered demolition of 23 illegal houses in Adarsh Nagar. However, 21 houses got an interim stay order from the High Court.
Two illegal houses of Anand Pawar and Maxi Korea were demolished on Friday by the Murgaon municipality. High Court on 20th April 2011 had ordered demolition of 23 illegal houses. However, some of the owners asked for 2 weeks' time from the Chief Officer of Murgaon municipality. Chief Officer had postponed the demolition. Later, 21 houses got a stay from the High Court.
Earlier it was stated, demolition was stated on 20th April and some of these persons they have represented before me asking sometime to remove household fixtures and to make necessary arrangement for alternate accommodation. So that for that I have granted 2 weeks.
Surprisingly, the owners of these houses have rented out these houses and have shifted to other area. The tenants are clueless about the demolition. They were seen packing their household items.
तो कितून रावता बिल्डिंगेन रावता तेणे हे रूम काढून तुमका भाड्याक दिले कितें परमिशन बीन आहा कितें अशें सांगला बीन
ना तशें आमकां कांय
पण आतां म्युनिसिपालिटी येयला तुमकां खाली कर म्हणून सांगला कित्याक लागून
हय म्हणल्यार तेमी आमकां कांय सांगलें ना अशें ओनरान आमकां कांय सांगलें तें आतां खंय कितें करपाचें कांय कळना ना.
Police were deployed at the demolition site to avoid any eventualities. Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
Now news from sports. The relationship between a club owner and coach should be based on professionalism. Only then can a club win titles. The best example of this would be Manchester United, where Sir Alex Ferguson is boss for more than 2.5 decades. In India, there is no better example than Arman Colasso at Dempo Sports Club. Churchill brothers seem to have a different philosophy, and that has led to hiring and firing of 6 coaches in 3 years. Former coach of Churchill brothers, Karim Bencherifa, says determined coaches cannot tolerate interference. Croatian coach Drago Mamic has become the latest casualty at Churchill brothers. He was the 6th coach in last 3 years to have coached the Varka-based club. The musical chair of coaches began in summer 2008 when Karim Bencherifa left for Mohan Bagan after a 2-year stint with Churchill. Since then, Emeka Ezeogo, Zoran Djordjevic, Carlos Pereira and Vincent Subramaniam have got the taste of life at Churchill brothers. Patron Churchill Alamau and President Joki Alamau are obsessed with success and hence demand titles by signing expensive players and coaches from foreign countries. And naturally, if result does not go their way, the Alamaus do not hesitate to make a scapegoat out of the coach. Fresh from guiding Sargaukar Sports Club to I-League title victory, Moroccan coach Karim Bencherifa reflected back on his time as coach of Churchill brothers.
It's a lot coming down to the coach, what kind of relationship he wants to build with his chairman. The coach decide, the coach orientate. Because if the coach, for example, see that it have to be a purely professional relationship, that each understand the need of the other one. As a coach, I know my responsibilities. I want to do my job as a coach, but I will not step out of my line. And of course, I don't want interference with my job. And if you go back to the 2 years that I spent with Churchill, it wasn't like that. It wasn't. But I would still go back to is the coach who determine whether you're gonna accept interference or not.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media. Goa's top-ranked player from men's category Anurag Mamal won the state senior chess tournament on Friday. He beat Neeraj Saripalli by half a point for the title. Anurag revealed that he wants to pursue chess as a profession. He is in need of sponsor to achieve his dream of becoming a grandmaster.
Number 1 seed Anurag and second-ranked Neeraj had a close contest throughout the tournament, but Anurag pipped Neeraj by a half a point for the title of state champion. Rohan Ahuja finished third while Adrian Almeida stood fourth. Top 4 players have qualified for the National Challengers tournament to be held in Aurangabad later this month. Later, speaking to Prudent, Anurag disclosed his ambition of taking to professional chess.
Anurag Mamal is Goa's number 1 player in the men's category with a rating of 2198. Anurag, congratulations, well done. How ambitious are you in chess? Where do you want to go in chess?
Well, actually, this is my third time I've won the state championship, so it was quite a good feeling. I want to win it 3 times in a row and make it a record. Now I'm going to go for this National B Chess Tournament, India's second biggest tournament, national tournament, that is held at Aurangabad on June 15th. So I'm interested in making a profession in chess, as it gives you quite a luxury and a lot of enjoyment. And chess is the game I enjoy, so it is quite good to have a career in chess. Although I'll not stop studies also and continue in my studies. And I hope I become a grandmaster one day. Let's see.
Are you so far backed by any sponsors, or are your parents managing the funding by themselves?
That's the main problem for me right now. I have no sponsors. I'm looking out for a sponsor, but I'm not getting one. Well, if there was a sponsor, I think I would have played some tournaments outside and it would have backed up my chess. And till now, my parents are funding it.
A sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Anil Sanadi from Miramar.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.